Importance of keyword research on YouTube. Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on how to perform keyword research for YouTube. Introduction. The importance of keyword research on YouTube. Keyword research is a crucial step in optimizing your YouTube videos for search visibility and attracting a larger audience. This tutorial will guide you through the process of conducting effective keyword research for your YouTube content. Step 1. Identify your video's topic. 1. Determine the main topic or theme of your video. This will help you narrow down relevant keywords. Step 2. Brainstorm seed keywords. 1. Create a list of seed keywords related to your video topic. These are general terms that capture the essence of your content. Step 3. Use YouTube's autocomplete. 1. Begin typing your seed keywords into the YouTube search bar. 2. Observe the suggested search terms that appear as you type. These are popular queries related to your topic. Step 4. Explore YouTube search results. 1. Search for your seed keywords on YouTube and analyze the search results. 2. Pay attention to the titles, descriptions, and tags of the top-ranking videos. This can give you insight into the keywords they're targeting. Step 5. Utilize YouTube's search filters. 1. Use YouTube's search filters to refine your search results. You can filter by upload date, view count, and more. 2. This helps you identify trending and popular keywords in your niche. Step 6. Leverage YouTube analytics. 1. If you already have a YouTube channel, access YouTube Analytics to see which search terms are driving traffic to your existing videos. 2. This information can guide your keyword strategy for future content. Step 7. Use keyword research tools. 1. Utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to expand your keyword list. 2. These tools provide insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords. Step 8. Analyze keyword metrics. 1. Evaluate the search volume and competition for each keyword. Aim for keywords with a balance of decent search volume and manageable competition. Step 9. Consider long-tail keywords. 1. Include long-tail keywords, phrases with more words, that are specific to your video content. 2. Long-tail keywords often have less competition and can attract more targeted viewers. Step 10. Create a keyword strategy. 1. Choose primary and secondary keywords for your video. Primary keywords are the main focus, while secondary keywords provide additional context. 2. Incorporate these keywords into your video title, description, and tags. Step 11. Write compelling titles and descriptions. 1. Craft attention-grabbing video titles that include your primary keyword. 2. Write comprehensive video descriptions that explain your content and naturally incorporate keywords. Step 12. Optimize tags. 1. Add relevant and specific tags to your video. Include variations of your primary and secondary keywords. 2. Use both broad and specific tags to increase your video's chances of being discovered. Step 13. Monitor and adjust. 1. After publishing your video, monitor its performance using YouTube Analytics. 2. Pay attention to which keywords are driving views and engagement. Adjust your keyword strategy based on these insights. Conclusion. Enhancing your video visibility with keyword research. Effective keyword research is a fundamental part of optimizing your YouTube content for search visibility and attracting the right audience. By following these steps and consistently refining your keyword strategy based on performance data, you can increase your video's chances of ranking higher in search results, reaching a larger audience, and ultimately achieving your YouTube goals.